The more roles you have, and the fact that you can add individual users to multiple roles, makes it a bit complicated to determine, let's say, the effective access for a particular user. So, for example, here in the sales department US role, you can see I added the member Nils T here. And with regard to databases access, let's have a look here. Maybe in this role, we would like to say that he or the members of this role should not have access to the production cube. So now you might think that Nils, in effect, does not have access to the production cube. But it turns out that he still does have access. And if you had a lot more roles than this, it would be quite a task to go through each individual role to find out which ones contain Nils as a member and what kind of a database access he's got. So instead, use this option here, look up user permissions. And when you click here, you can then select from your users, like Nils here, and open up that. And then looking at the databases tab here into the databases, we can see that, well, indeed, he still does have access to the production queue. This is the effective permission that you got, that he does have access. Even though that we said through the sales department role that he should not have access, it only means that through this role, he will not be given access. But since he's also a member apparently of two other roles, and each of those are actually give them access, if just one of them gave him access to the cube, well, he would actually get access to it. So that's why. Another example here is the Weblog cube. You can see that effectively the permission is to have no access to that cube, and this is due to this setting here through the sales department DK role, where apparently we set the permission to deny or deny in all roles. That's a very hard way of doing things, but it actually means that no matter what kind of permission he's got through other roles, he will never get access to the Weblog cube, as you see here.